Hello and welcome to this Tip of the Week video by Magna-Matic Corporation. In this video we're going to be servicing some hedge trimmer blades from a Stihl Kombi System. These blades are about 20-inch long and they do have teeth on both sides. So we'll go through the cleaning process, the sharpening and deburring, and this video will be a little time elapsed to make it a shorter video. If you'd like to see full videos on a full service without any time elapsing, we have other videos at our YouTube channel with that content. So let's get started with giving you a little close-up view of the blades before we start working on them, and then we'll move to cleaning. Okay, here's that closer view, and we'll hold these up and let you kind of see them a little bit. They're both very dirty. They're very covered in resin and other plant material. Here's the undersides. And some of these blades have some pretty bad nicks and are rounded over quite significantly here. They are quite dull. Here we have some real rounding there. We'll be using the Mag 12008 blade cleaner to clean all the resin, the rust, and plant material off of the hedge trimmer blade. It has two gangs of long bristled wire brushes that is able to clean both sides of the blade. For the deburring and sharpening operation of the blades, we'll be using the Mag 6000 hedge trimmer blade sharpener, an industry first dedicated hedge trimmer blade sharpener manufactured by Magna-Matic. Let's get a closer view and get the work done. The first operation for this blade is we are going to deburr the underside, and then we will sharpen all the teeth on this side of the unit. I already have the fences set for this blade because I had previously been doing some other Stihl blades which were at the same depth and pitch. Now that we're on the other side of the machine, we've already swung the fence over and the fences are set, so we're ready to grind. And here we have a close-up view of the two blades. Of course, the blade that is sharpened is this one, and then back here is the unserviced blade. And here we'll try and move them in the light a little bit so you can see the differences. and see the edges, along with how clean the blade is. Here we have the two blades. Here's the serviced one and the unserviced one. Again, you can see the back side, how dirty it is, and how nice the new edges are. So I hope that was an interesting demonstration of the Mag 6000 hedge trimmer blade sharpener and the Mag 12008 blade cleaner. If you'd like any more information on these products, head over to Magna-Matic.com, and thank you very much for watching.